Hey, we're going to talk about imaginary numbers. We're going to learn how to solve equations like this one, x squared plus 1 equals 0. Move the 1 over to the other side and you get x squared equals negative 1. Square root both sides and you get the square root of x squared equals the square root of negative 1. But wait a minute, I thought we couldn't square root a negative. Well, we can now, thanks to this person over here, Raphael Bombay. He's an Italian mathematician who imagined that there was an answer to the square root of negative 1. Let's see how it works. So how does it work? Well, you're going to pretend or imagine that the square root of negative 1 has an answer, and we're going to call that answer I. Now you're going to square both sides, and we get the square root of negative 1 squared, which is just negative 1. That's going to equal I squared. So the big aha for today is I squared equals negative 1. You should write that down somewhere. I squared equals negative 1.